Hi, this is Annie with Wildflower and Stitch. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how I like to attach my new color for a new round. So this works if you have fastened off your previous color and you want to make the next round of your granny square in a different color. So in this case, this is my lavender granny square, and I want to make a border with this dark brown color. So to attach the new color, I make a slip knot. So I wrap the yarn around my finger, take it off, and I pull another loop here through that initial loop. Then I put this loop on my hook and I pull it. You want to pull it pretty tight, but make sure that you can still move it on the hook. Then I go to the spot where I want to attach my yarn. In this case, I want to attach it here in the corner space because this is where I want to start my next round for this granny square. So I insert my hook into the corner space. It could also be an individual stitch if that's what you're doing. But I insert it where I want to attach the new yarn. And I pull this new yarn. See how I have the slip knot on my hook, and then the new yarn goes here over my work. So now I grab that new yarn and I bring it through the same opening where I inserted my hook, like so. And then I pull this through the loop on my hook as well, so through the initial slip knot, like so. And now I like to turn my work around, and I want to make sure that this knot here is tight. So I usually hold it with one of my fingers here, and then with the other hand I pull this yarn end to pull it tight, like so. And now my new yarn is attached, so now I just keep doing whatever I was doing, chaining to begin the round, and then just keep working around my granny square. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial on how to attach your new color. Let me know what you thought. You can leave me a comment in the comments section. You can like this video, and if you'd like to see more tutorials in the future, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.